the kind of products they are going to apply on you, they should empower you with your decision. I think that is very important. They should educate you, make you aware of what service you're going to get done, what are the results of that service, what products they are going to use in the process, what is the pre-care, what is the post-care.
नमस्कार, हेलो एंड वेलकम। आई एम योर होस्ट सागरिका भट्टाचार्य। एक बार फिर हाजिर हूँ ब्यूटी के इस खास शो के साथ। वेलनेस की बात तो हमेशा करते हैं, लेकिन आज कुछ ब्यूटी की बात भी हो जाए। वेदर इट्स मेन और वुमेन, वी नीड टू टॉक अबाउट द ब्यूटी एस्पेक्ट एज वेल, एंड फॉर दैट वी हैव अ विजनरी ऑफ ब्यूटी एंड skin aesthetics specialist, well, in that sense, Payal Jain Goel. Hi Payal, how are you?
Hi Sagarika, very good. How are you?
Absolutely good. Payal, when we talk about beauty aesthetics, so what is the terminology? इसका मतलब सबसे पहले जानने की बेहद ज़रूरत होती है।
So beauty in aesthetics, I would say it goes beyond tone and color. It is something which comes from within, I would say. Every color, every shape, every curve, every freckle, every imperfection is beauty.
Yes.
I feel that. And every person is beautiful. We are here to help you find that beauty, inner and outer, and enhance that beauty in whatever way that we can. So in whatever way we can help you boost that confidence, we are here for you.
Oh, that's beautiful. And when you talk about, obviously जब ब्यूटी की बात आती है तो एस्थेटिक्स के साथ साथ कई ऐसे नए आयाम पर्याय जुड़ चुके हैं, whether we call it the enhancement of the face, स्पेसिफिकली अगर सबसे ज़्यादा अगर आजकल देखा जाता है, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आप अपने फीचर्स के साथ ही आप बड़े हो रहे हैं, आपका मेन ग्रोइंग एज हो रहा है, लेकिन उसके साथ चाहे बात आईब्रोज की है, आई लैशेस की है, ये कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो द न्यू टेक्निक हैज़ टेकन प्लेस. आई रियली वांट टू नो अबाउट दैट.
So more than new techniques, I would also want to highlight the new products, more about skill sets that have come into the market. And you know, India is an industry right now where we are still working on it on a very basic level. Internationally, if you start following the leaders in this industry, they are doing what we have not even started thinking of doing. So the idea of the face company, the kind of services that we are providing over here, we are trying to bring that culture here in Delhi, here in India, where we are following all kinds of international techniques to give you that glamour, that look, that face that you want, you know, which you want to achieve when you look at pictures, and you know, you've always wanted for yourself. More than that, we are also aiming at hygiene and safety. आप नहीं चाहते कि आप किसी ऐसी जगह पे जाएं जहाँ पे आपको नहीं पता आपके ऊपर क्या टूल्स यूज़ किए जा रहे हैं, whether they're hygienic, sterilized or not sterilized. So we are a clinically driven aesthetic center जहाँ पे छोटी सी छोटी सर्विस, चाहे वो मैनिक्योर पेडिक्योर है, चाहे वो something as invasive as Botox and filler, is all clinically driven.
Okay.
With top-notch importance given to hygiene, sanitization, and making sure that the products that are being used, that are of quality products.
Okay.
So these products are globally sourced. So coming back to your question, you know, you were asking me how we have these new techniques are available in the market. So it's not just the techniques, it's the hygiene levels,
Okay,
as well as the products that we are trying to bring down over here.
Oh, that's brilliant. And well, जब भी हम बात करते हैं एस्थेटिक्स की, चाहे वो ब्राउज है, लैशेस है, इनको obviously the enhancement of your face, कई लोगों को नहीं पता होता कि where need to go and which aesthetic clinic needs to be you have to go and nudge, because उसके लिए भी आपके do's and don'ts होने चाहिए, जैसे कि Payal right correctly said that obviously the hygiene perspective is very much required. So इसके लिए भी अलावा भी कुछ और pointers होते हैं जो आपके जहन में होने चाहिए while going for these treatments?
I think wherever you go, first of all, you should be confident about who is doing the service on you, the kind of products they are going to apply on you, and they should empower you with your decision. I think that is very important. They should educate you, make you aware of what service you're going to get done, what are the results of that service, what products they are going to use in the process, what is the pre-care, what is the post-care. It should not be like an impulsive decision, because these are, when I talk about semi-permanent makeup, these are aesthetics which are going to last on your face for almost 2 years. So it is not something that you experiment on a daily basis.
Right.
And people should not fall for, you know, gimmicks where there are artists in the market who probably would give a little slightly cheaper price, and then, you know, people are okay with it. But it is always about quality over price, because it's an investment you are doing on your face, on your features, enhancing your features that way. So I think it's very important that you make an empowered decision, and the person sitting right in front of you is educating you and making you aware of all these things.
And moreover that, I think information is very much important.
Educating, awareness, that's what
is important.
Yes.
Okay, now coming to the thing that आप जब beauty की बात करते हैं, beauty enhancement की बात करते हैं, तो it's not only about your face, it's about your nails, your everything. It's from top to toe. So ऐसे कई मेरे ख्याल से options आ चुके हैं market में जिसके ऊपर भी हम लोग बात कर सकते हैं. So what are the options which we can talk about?
So since you mentioned nails, I'll talk about that. Everyone talks about nail art. Here we are talking about nail art with nail care. We are probably the only one in India right now who are doing nail strengthening treatments.
Okay.
So this treatment, of course, is hand-picked. This is a patented technology from the USA, which works on restoring the nail strength. Sometimes people keep getting nail art done and the nail bed gets thinner, but who is fixing it?
Yeah,
Nobody.
Exactly.
So this is the treatment for strengthening your nails, and so that you can keep getting your nail art done, but with care.
Okay, so ये चीज़ें भी आपको ध्यान में रखने की बेहद ज़रूरी हो जाती है. Now coming back to again to the eyelashes, what is the technique when जब भी हम बात करते हैं नेहल कि हमने lashes लगा लिए, so artificial lashes भी मिलते हैं, लेकिन हाँ, it's like a treatment, it's like a surgery. What exactly it is?
It's not a treatment, it's not a surgery, it's an enhancement where we are basically applying naturally looking lashes on your own original lashes. So you need to take care that the lashes that are being put, they need to be naturally looking, they need to be lightweight, because otherwise you'll feel heaviness on your eyes. The products that your technician is using, they should not be high on fumes, because these are basically adhesives जो apply किए जा रहे हैं आपके eyelashes के ऊपर में. अगर high fumes होंगे, your eyes can get stingy, redness is there, then people sometimes they get allergic response triggered. Okay. So you need to be sure of what kind of products your technician is using. They need to be FDA approved. They need to be dermatologically tested. They need to be highly effective at the same time. You don't want your lashes falling off. So they need to be safe and tested properly.
That's very important. So specifically अगर ये season की अगर हम बात करें, so any particular season जब ये चीज़ें करनी चाहिए, and the don'ts we should be avoiding the months.
So lashes you can get done throughout the year. In fact, we suggest that whenever you're going for a vacation, get your lashes on. Like you can see my lashes are on right now, and I'm always ready. Like I don't have to wear a liner or a kajal or a mascara. I just put on a little blusher and I'm good to go always.
Absolutely.
So it's a 12-month kind of a thing. You can get it done anytime. Get it done before you're traveling, so you're always travel ready. And yeah, I mean, there's nothing, no restriction.
And what about the brows?
Brows. So microblading, if you want to know about microblading, again, it's a 12-month thing. You can get done anytime that you want to get done. However, we don't advertise that you get it done before you're traveling. We suggest you get it done once your travel is done, because it's a minimally invasive treatment.
Okay.
And it has a little bit of downtime, but the results are beautiful. So there's no harm in getting done, and especially with us, we have all organic pigments sourced from the UK. The tools that we're using, they are clinically sterilized every time that we're using them. The cartridges, the needles that we're using, it's one person, one cartridge. We are not reusing them. Even if you're coming to us for the second session, we are not going to use the same cartridge we used for you in the first session. So that way, clinical precision, clinical hygiene, is taken care of 100%.
That's brilliant. And now, lastly, I really want to know about lip enhancement. That is very important nowadays. It's with the celebrities, और जब भी हम किसी celebrity को देखते हैं तो अभी लगता है कि हाँ मेरे भी lips ऐसे होने चाहिए. So हर जगह पर ये चीजें हैं.
Yes. For lip enhancement also, we have a number of services. We start with color correction. Okay, so people who have good shape already, but they have darker lips, sometimes it's genetic, sometimes it's after smoking also, and they want to get rid of it. In fact, in males also, people, male generally have darker lips. So for them, we have lip color correction. We have lip blush for women who want nice tinted lips all the time. So they can get it done. It's a semi-permanent makeup technique and lasts for almost 2 years on your lips. And you're always ready with your blush on your lips. And then we have fillers, of course, for your lips. People who want volume on your lips.
Enhancement, basically.
Yes, enhancement on your lips. So I would also want to raise this topic over here, since we're talking about lip enhancements, about fillers. So there's a general taboo in the market at the moment, where people think that getting fillers is not good. sometimes women who are getting it done, they are looked upon, not properly, and it's like कुछ करवा रखा है इसने, it's
हाँ.
artificial. But I really feel that we should not, we should start considering that, it's everyone's personal choice. If getting that lip filler done is boosting a person's confidence, their personal appearance, their grooming requirements, then why not?
Absolutely, and I think मेरे ख्याल से खूबसूरती आपकी खुद की है, आपकी पहचान है, और कौन क्या बोल रहा है उसकी मोहताज बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. Well, on that note, thank you so much, Payal, for your lovely insights, because I think with face and the entire face enhancement, not only it's about looking good, it's about boosting your own confidence as well.
Absolutely.
Thank you so very much for coming over.
Thank you so much, Sagarika.
तो चलिए आज के एपिसोड में फिलहाल इतना ही. फिर होगी आपसे मुलाकात कुछ नए इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के साथ, और इन टॉपिक को आप भी हम तक पहुंचा सकते हैं, हमें लिख सकते हैं, एंड डेफिनेटली आई टेक अप द रेज एंड द क्वेश्चंस, एंड डेफिनेटली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड.